I am a programmer full-time, so I'm in front of a computer pretty much all day. So I would say I'm definitely a little bit introverted. You know, when I'm doing this commission work and I'm meeting with clients, it has to bring that extroverted sense out a little bit. That interaction that I get with them, I mean, that's the best feeling I get from doing this. It's better than anything else that I can, you know, that I experience while doing woodworking. The happiness that they get from something that I made with my hands, you know, and it's related to my craft. I think that's just awesome. When I come home from work and, you know, letting the dogs out and all that, and I finally have time to come out here, it's basically where I de-stress. I come out here and sort of clear my mind and really just, you know, have that alone time where I can think and make and not really have to worry about anything else. And that, you know, that drives the passion that keeps me out here. Every day I look forward to coming out here after work. Before, where I could think of a project and think, well, I can't really do that because I don't have a CNC. And now that I do, I'm thinking, oh, okay, I can do this now. Like, I've got all these new items and new products and, you know, new ideas that I can come up with because I have this new tool. It was right before we got engaged in 2015, and it was like 3 days before we were gonna leave. You know, I thought it would be cool to make this, personalize this a little bit more and make this box. You know, when I got up there, I got down on one knee and opened that box up, you know, and she said yes, and I put the ring on, and then she looked back at the box and she goes, man, did you make that box? I always remember that exact feeling, you know, when I got down on one knee and she said yes, and then, you know, she made that comment about the box. I think that's, you know, that's pretty cool. That's the thing that keeps me motivated, is I know there's so many different things that I want to make, and there's so many techniques and aspects of this that I want to perfect that only take time, and I'm confident that I'll be doing this, you know, when I'm older and retired, and, you know, I can sort of perfect some of those techniques and really just hone the craft while still making it my own. I'm Jake Hogue, and I am a craftsman.